Hi, and the next topic is law of radioactive decay. Now, according to this law, the rate of radioactive disintegration at any instant of time is directly proportional to the number of nuclei present at that instant of time. Okay, so let's say at a certain time t, n is the number of nuclei present in the sample. Okay, so rate of disintegration will be given as minus dn by dt, where dn will be the number of nuclei disintegrated in time dt. Now, according to our law of radioactive disintegration, law of radioactive decay, rate of disintegration is directly proportional to the number of nuclei present in the sample, and we had assumed n number of nuclei are present in the sample at time t. So this is our relation. You can also write this as dn by dt is directly proportional to minus n. Now this is your proportional, means like dn by dt is proportional to minus n. To remove this sign, we have to introduce a proportionality constant, and that proportionality constant is represented by lambda, and lambda is called decay constant. So we have our equation dn by dt is equals to minus lambda n, where in this case the negative sign shows that dn decreases as dt increases. Okay, next we are going to derive the equation of radioactive decay. Okay. So right now we have got the equation minus or dn by dt is equals to minus lambda n. So on rearranging this one, I am taking n in the denominator, and this will become minus lambda dt. Now at time t, we had assumed that number of nuclei present are n. Let's say at time t is equals to 0, means at the very beginning the number of nuclei present in the sample was n naught. After this we will integrate this one. So at time t equals to 0, the number of nuclei present were n naught. Okay, and at time t, the number of nuclei present in the sample is n. So on integrating, you will get ln of n, limits n naught to n, minus lambda t. So this will be ln n minus ln n naught. So you can write it as ln of n by n naught is equals to minus lambda t. Now taking exponential on both sides, so you will get n by n naught equals to e raised to power minus lambda t, or n will be n naught into e raised to power minus lambda t. So that will be our equation of radioactive decay. Okay. In this one, n naught is the number of nuclei present at time t, and n is the number of nuclei at any time small t. Thank you.